Using Chime without direct deposit is possible, but it requires a few extra steps. Chime is a mobile banking service that typically requires direct deposit to fund your account. But there are alternative methods to add money to your Chime account. First, you need to open a Chime account, which can be done through the Chime mobile app or website. Once your account is open, you can explore the different options for adding money to your account without using direct deposit. One option is to use a debit card to transfer funds from another bank account to your Chime account. You can link your debit card to your Chime account and initiate a transfer, which usually takes a few days to process. Another option is to use a cash deposit at a participating retail location, such as Walmart or Walgreens. You can take cash to one of these locations and have it deposited into your Chime account. Although this method may incur a fee, you can also use a mobile deposit to add funds to your Chime account. This involves taking a picture of a check with your mobile device and depositing it into your account. It is essential to note that some of these methods may have limits or fees associated with them, so it is crucial to review the terms and conditions of your Chime account before adding money. In summary, while Chime is designed to work with direct deposit, it is possible to use the service without it. By using a debit card transfer, cash deposit, or mobile deposit, you can add money to your Chime account and take advantage of its features and benefits. By understanding the different options and their associated fees and limits, you can make informed decisions about how to manage your Chime account and make the most of its services.